mga friends, welcome po sa kusina ni Bibay. Ngayon po tayo ay gagawa ng chicken asado. Then the following are our ingredients. Una ay ating pong i-mince chop ang ating onions at ang ating tomatoes. Kung inyo pong mapapansin ay aming inaalis ang buto ng kamatis. So dahil hindi lang po kasi kami kumakain nun. So pwede niyo po isama yan. Then tayo po ay magmamarinate ng chicken. Kaya halo po natin ang sibuyas at ang kamatis sa ating chicken at chicken liver. And then we will add our garlic. And then we will add 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. Then next is we will add 3 to 4 pieces of bay leaves o dahon ng laurel. Next we will add 1 1/2 tablespoon of vinegar. Then we will add 2 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce o toyo. Maraming ito si Mrs. Then, hahaluin po natin siya mabuti. Then, pwede na po siya i-marinate. Then, after 24 years of marinating, sa wakas natapos din siya, ihiwalay po natin yung chicken dun sa ating marinated sauce. Huwag niyo pong itatapon yung mixture na pinagbabara natin. And then, we are ready to fry by adding 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. And then, once ma-reach natin yung kulay na golden brown, pwede na po natin siyang hanguin. Next is yung chicken liver naman po ang ating ipiprito. So, exactly same procedure lang po siya ng chicken. Huwag po tayong kakabahan at huwag lang po nating susunugin. Next is ating dudurugin ang ating chicken liver. Humanda ka, dudurugin kita. Next is atin pong ihahalo yung marinate sauce na ginamit natin kanina. So kung itinapon nyo na po yon, hindi na po tayo makakapagluto ng asado. Then after simmering for 3 minutes, we will add 1/2 cup of water. Then by this time, we will add 1/4 cup of tomato paste. And next is we will add 1 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then kapag ready na po ang ating sauce, we can add our chicken. Pwede po kayong magdagdag ng additional water dito, siguro mga 1/2 cup kung medyo tuyo na siya. Huwag po natin ganong dadamihan ng tubig unless gusto po natin siya maging sinigang. Then after simmering for 20 minutes, ito na po ang itsura niya. And by this time, we will add salt and pepper to taste. And then we will add our remaining ingredients. So ilalagay po natin yung potato una kasi matagal po siya lumambot. Next is we will bring out our carrots. And then it's time for our red and green bell pepper to take the action. Please take note of the simmering time po. Ayaw po natin siya ma-overcook. So the last ingredient will be our calamansi juice. And then, ready na po siya. Well, we hope that you like our version of a chicken asado. Then if you have any suggestions or questions, please feel free to comment down below. Then please don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy cooking!